Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can set up custom charging animation in Samsung Galaxy A17. It's really simple. You just need to go to your settings, then go to Moods and Routines. From here, tap on Routines, then tap on this plus icon. On first trigger, tap on it, then scroll down and select Charging Status. From here, select Charging and tap on Done. Now tap on Then and from here select Wallpaper. From here tap on Change Lock Screen Wallpaper and from here select the wallpaper. As you can see, I have selected this wallpaper and tap on Save. From here you can also select battery icon, tap on Done. So now as you can see, our current lock screen look like this because the mobile is not on charging. Now let's connect it to charging through the cable. And as you can see, our animation is now changed. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.